Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to go online with a Siemens PLC. First, ensure your TIA portal software is fully installed and up to date. Next, connect your PC to the PLC using a standard Ethernet cable. It's crucial that your computer's IP address is configured to be within the same network subnet as your PLC. For example, if your PLC is 192.168.0.1, your PC might be 192.168.0.10. This foundational setup is essential for establishing communication. The next critical step involves configuring your PG/PC interface. Access this tool either through the Windows control panel or directly within TIA portal. Here, you must select the specific network adapter your PC uses for the Ethernet connection to the PLC. Then, choose the appropriate access point, which is typically S7 Online, Step 7, TCP/IP Auto. Your network card. This selection tells the software which communication path to use, ensuring your computer can properly see the PLC on the network. With the interface configured, open your TIA portal project and locate your PLC device in the project tree. Now, click the Go Online button or use the Accessible Devices option to scan for your connected PLC. TIA portal will then search the network for devices. Once your PLC is detected and displayed in the list, select it and confirm to establish the online connection. This action links your engineering station directly to the physical PLC, allowing for real-time interaction and monitoring. Once you are successfully online, you can begin monitoring the PLC's status, observing program block execution, and viewing real-time tag values. The diagnostic buffer is an invaluable tool for identifying and troubleshooting any errors or warnings that may arise. Remember to ensure the PLC is in RUN mode for normal operation or stop mode if you intend to download new program changes. This online capability provides powerful insights into your automation system's performance and health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.